For today's tutorial, I will be going over on how to use the Batch Utility tool. The Batch Utility tool is located underneath the Home tab, over to your Tools panel, and underneath the Appearance Profiler. The Batch Utility tool is helpful to convert Revit files into NWCs or NWDs without having to convert each Revit file into a DWG first. So first, I'm going to go over to the top left in the Input section and locate the files that I want to batch. In your top right, you can select the files that you want to batch. So I'm going to select that first file, hold Shift, and select the last file. This button right here will allow you to add your files, and you have the option to convert it into a single file or a multiple file. But for this tutorial, I will convert it into a single file. That way it converts into single NWCs and batch it underneath one NWD. So I'm going to go ahead and add the files. And then I'm going to browse where I want my files to be located and name it Batch Utility Test 1. In the file version, I can select which year that I want the file to be exported underneath. Then we wait for the files to export. After waiting for your files to export, it should have created NWC files for those Revit files and batched them under one NWD file. This is the NWD file that my batch utility created. In the selection tree, you can see all of the Revit files batched under one NWD file. Thank you for watching BIM at Bernards. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.